Let's go to page 99 and section 8.1. This section is on integers and rational numbers. So that's going to start with the natural number. Natural number is also called the counting numbers. So it start with 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Okay. And then next is the whole number. The whole number is for arithmetic. So you need to just go and include it 0. So a whole number will be start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Then you also can have the negative numbers. So when you combine with all the negative and positive, it will give you the integers. So integers would be like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Okay. Now, when you consider numbers, so 0 is neutral. Okay, when you're considering positive or negative, so these are the positive numbers. These are the negative numbers. So 0 is neutral. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Now, when you consider odd or even, 0 would be even number. Okay, next, let's go ahead and consider rational number. Okay, R. So rational number is anything that can convert into fraction. Okay. So rational number came from the word ratio. So ratio is a comparison of two numbers. So anything can express as a fraction is a rational number. So even the integer can, for example, like 2, right? You can convert into like 4/2, for example, right? So this is a rational number because you can express as a fraction. Now, when you write a number as a fraction, the top number, this is the numerator, and this is the denominator. Again, this is a very basic review. Now let's go to example 8-2. Okay, example 8-2, it says find the fractional equivalent to 4.263 repeating. So you want to find the fraction for that. Okay, so what you want to do first is you write let x equal to 4.263, 263, 263, ... Okay, so the bar over the digits means it's repeating. Okay, now the way to convert this into fraction is that you want to shift over the same number of digits as repeated. Okay, so there are 3 digits repeated, so you want to shift over 3 digits over. That means you have to times it by 1,000. Okay, so you shift over so that you get 4263. The reason you want to shift over 3 places so that every digit will all line up. Okay, and that way when you subtract, all this get canceled out. Okay, so again, 3-digit repeat means you want to shift over 3 digits. That means you have to multiply by 1,000. Okay, so again, if you shift over 3 digits, you're going to get 3 zeros after the 1. Right? Okay, so when you subtract, okay, you're going to get 999x equal to okay, so you subtract, you're going to get 4259. Okay, because all this get canceled out. Then after you're just going to divide by 999. So x equal to 4259 over 999. And what you want to do, you want to check see if you can reduce. Okay. Now let's go to example 8-3. Okay, so we learned about how to convert from decimal into fractions. Now let's go and do the other way. Okay, how to convert the fraction into decimal. So what is 2 over 7 equal to? Okay, so to convert, all you have to do is do the division. So you got 2 divided by 7. So you're going to get 0 point. Okay, so you add a 0, should be 2, 14. So you subtract, you get 6. You add a 0, okay, 8. You get 56. And then you're going to get 4, add a 0. So you get 5, 35, so you get 50. So you get 7, 49, 1, get 0, so you get 1, 7, 3, 0, 4, 28, 2. So once you get 2, notice it gets obvious. So now after that, it's going to start to repeat. Okay? And so it's going to be repeat after that. Now one thing to notice is that when you divide by 7, notice there will be 6 digit repeating, right? 7, so there will be 6 digit repeating. So that's just kind of, just take note of that. So this will equal to 0.285714 repeating. Okay, so now let's go to page 101 about how to, page 101, and to compare two numbers. So you got 5 over 56, okay, and you got 6 over 67. Okay, so you want to see which is bigger. Okay, so to figure out which is bigger, you're just going to make into common denominator and compare, right? Okay, so you're going to get 56, 67, and this would be 5 times 67. Okay, and this one you're going to get 56, 67, so this would be 6 times 56. And then you go ahead and, so since you have common denominator, you all you have to do is just look at the top. So when you multiply on the top, you're going to get 335. When you multiply this, you're going to get 336. So you can see that this is less than. Okay.